Did you come to become a Boy Scout? Piccolino? Let's talk about it later. Now you need to pass the test. If you can do it, I'll answer all the questions. Impressive! Who taught you that? Go on the second task. Don't you still want to become a scout? Are you ready to pass the real test? Let's have a race. We go one lap. If you can reach the finish line before me and without falling off the bike, I will give you a tie and accept you as a scout. For a very long time, no one participated in the race. The ring was closed for some reason, but sometimes it's worth breaking the rules. Do you understand what I mean? Are you ready? Let's go! Oops! I forgot to warn you. I have children right in here.
Hello? Hello?
Hey, hello!
Hello?